Ilindele ukuhlinzekwa ngomqulu oqukethe imininingwane yekomidi le-ANC elibhekele ukujutshwa kwamalungu aleliqembu ezikhundleni ezehlukene ngolwesithathu. Ngesonto ledlule inkantolo ephakeme yaseGoli ichitha isicelo se-ANC sokufuna ukwedlulisa isinqumo esiyiphoqa ukuba ihlinzeke ngale mininingwane.
The DA has conferred with our lawyers, and it is our understanding that the 5 days in this ruling refers to 5 working days, which means that the ANC has until Wednesday.
I-ANC yatshela SABC ukuthi sacubungula isinqumo bese ibheka nendlela zomthetho. Kepha umhlaziyi wezomthetho uBenedict Phiri uthi i-ANC iphoqelekile ukuthi ilandele umyalelo wenkantolo.
The implication of the order is that the ANC is obliged to comply with the terms of the order and therefore hand over the cadre deployment records within 5 days of the order, unless, of course, it can arrange differently with the DA or seek an indulgence from the DA, or it files an application at the Supreme Court of Appeal for leave to appeal to that court.
I-DA ifuna inkantolo inqumo ukuthi aluhambisani nomthethosisekelo uhlelo lwe-ANC lokujutshwa kwamalungu aye ezikhundleni zikahulumeni.